Welcome to this tutorial for the second challenge of HackTheBox. In this video we will be exploring how to gain access to a misconfigured MySQL database in order to obtain the flag. Stay tuned and get ready to learn some more MySQL. As usual, this video is just for educational purposes only and it's not meant to encourage any illegal activities. First off, as usual, we will run the ping and nmap commands to see what we're dealing with over here. As usual, I will be speeding up the nmap part of the video, so it takes less time to complete. Once the nmap scan is finished, as we can see on screen, we have the confirmation that we're dealing with a MySQL server. In order to interact with a MySQL server, we need all the tools, so we're going to apt install MySQL with a star at the end, so it installs everything onto our machine, which will enable us to connect to the server. Once the packages have been installed, we can insert MySQL-h and specify the IP address for the host, followed by -u and the username, which in general the default username is root. For this particular SQL server, it doesn't seem to have a password set because we managed to connect without the need of a password. In order for us to see exactly what is going on here, we can use the show databases command, which will output all the databases stored on the server. The ones highlighted here seem to be the default, so I'm just going to ignore them, and I will be focusing on the HTB database. In order to query this particular database, we need to issue the use HTB command. Once we have selected the database, we can now have a look at the tables by issuing the show tables command. In order for us to see exactly what is going on, I'm going to select star from config, and this will display everything that is stored in the config table. As we can see from this output, there's a particular row which contains our flag. I will be also selecting everything from the users table, just in case there's anything of interest. Now that we have successfully gained access to the misconfigured MySQL database and retrieved the flag, it's time to head back to the HackTheBox portal and fill out the questions to complete the challenge. By default, MySQL runs on port 3306, which answers the first question. In order for me to answer the second question, I will be rerunning the nmap command with an additional parameter, -s. This will give us more details about the service that is running on the host. As we can see here, MariaDB is used. The switch used to specify the username was -u. The username that we have used is root. To select everything within a particular table, we use the symbol star. The symbol we need to use to end each statement is semicolon. The extra database that is unique to this instance is HTB. And for the final question, as usual, we can refer to the terminal and copy and paste the flag from there. Congratulations on successfully completing the SQL challenge on HackTheBox. By exploiting the misconfiguration on the MySQL database, we were able to obtain the flag and complete the challenge. Remember to always secure your databases with strong and proper passwords. Stay tuned for more exciting challenges and tutorials on HackTheBox. Keep learning, keep exploring.